So we've just arrived in Mechelen, Belgium. So far so good. It just reminds us of Paris, to be honest. I'm going to see what we've got around here and then hopefully into Antwerp tomorrow. So this is the square. Are we saying that?
That's a ride. Look at
This must be the kiddie bit she was on about. Would you go on that, Mia? What is it?
I think it swings around.
Oh, what's in there, babe?
What?
What's in there?
Waffles. Waffles.
Waffles, I love waffles. Yes, right.
Square.
I'm gonna go on the little ride, Mia. I'm gonna go big one, monster.
It's right.
It's so busy. It's Saturday.
Good morning. We are just on our way to Antwerp. We are just going to the train station.
You can also catch the bus here, but we're not getting the bus. We're getting the train. Wish us luck. We'll see you on the other side.
We made it to Snazzy train station. It's pretty quiet. It's early. It's 8:15 on a Sunday. But it's a nice train station. A lot better than the one at home. So we're just waiting now for our train. Take us to Antwerp. And we'll show you around when we get there. So, we have just arrived in Antwerp. Just got off a train. And what just happened?
We nearly got beaten up.
We nearly got beaten up.
Tried to take a picture in the
Tried to take a picture of
train station.
of some beautiful artifacts, and some guy come over to us. There's no filming, no taking a picture. I'm like, okay, but I can film what I want. But I didn't have my camera out. I put it back in my pocket. It continued to follow us up the escalator, and my wife took a picture of the beautiful monument, and then he got his phone out, started recording us, and put his fist up, raised fire. He was clearly on something, but it was proper being annoying. So first impressions of Antwerp, it's not very inviting. So, but we will show you around, see how the rest of the day goes. But just a bit wound up at the minute, just trying to calm down. So yeah, let's go and take a look, see where we are now. We just got out of the train station and we're going to have a look around. So yeah, we're still at the train station. We're just coming across a zoo. You have to pay to get in. You're going to see some flamingos, some other animals. We might have a look in a bit, see what it's like. You've got some beautiful buildings. This is like the little square. We're going to take a walk into the town centre. There's another gorgeous building. There's a quality burger restaurant there. I've seen that advertised loads. Q quality burger restaurant. There, top sign. Got a little bit here, Chinatown it looks like. Looks cool. Let's have a look round. Something's happening over there. Ambulance, police car. First impressions of Antwerp is a bit sketch. There's a lot of homeless people. But hopefully we'll get a better impression as the day goes on. We'll see. Come across another beautiful building. Very quiet, but it is a Sunday morning. Not a lot open yet. And another church. Very nice, very nice. Little church. Probably big. Bells are going off. Beautiful. Sunday morning. Does that mean it's a certain time?
10 o'clock.
10 a.m.
It's already warm.
It's already hot.
Why do you say what I
I just don't know. I just do. Come across the bridge. I'm going to check it out. Oh, and the castle over there, look. Castle. Press the button. We're going to go and have a look over the bridge. And then take a look at the castle. We're just going up it. It's steep. Very steep. Oh, can walk all the way down to the bottom. Very nice. Water's not very clear, a bit mucky. Oh, nice. We're having a look at the castle now. Made it to the castle. More uphill. Take a quick look. Inside the castle. I like to see. Well, that's just around a little door in the castle. Ooh. What we got?